What's up, you guys? Marco here, spreading love, joy, and positivity. How is everybody feeling today? Welcome back to my channel, Marco the Positive. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. And as always, I am here to share some uplifting messages with y'all. But before we jump into today's topic, make sure to show some love to the channel by hitting that like button and smashing that notification bell. And when you smash that notification bell, you guys, you will smash all so that you will be able to receive all these amazing, awesome, positive, uplifting videos as soon as I post them. I do post frequently, my loving viewers, from Sunday to Friday at 6 p.m. with a bonus video, you guys. And this is the bonus video that you are watching right now. And remember, we'll be diving into today's discussion, which is the preview on the video that I'm going to be doing tonight, which is How to Make Yourself Happy series, part 3. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just press that like button, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, and press all so that you'll be able to receive all my videos as soon as I post them. I do post frequently, as you already know, from Sunday to Friday at 6 p.m. with a bonus video, you guys. And we'll be talking about in tonight's video, which is going to be find joy in service, in serving others. Sorry about that. Yeah, you guys, finding joy in serving others is going to be amazing and a blessing for your life. It really is. And I'm so excited for this video, my loving viewer, as I am excited for every single video that I do, you know, because when we find joy in serving others, my loving viewer, we are forgetting about our own problems, and it seems smaller, and we can experience this is what we can do. We can experience happiness, we can experience joy, we can experience love even in helping others. Just a preview of what I'm going to be talking about tonight, my loving viewers. In Luke 10 verse 27, it says, love the Lord with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with all your strength. The second commandment, my loving viewer, is to love your neighbor as yourself. We always have to look for ways to serve others, my loving viewers, whether it's volunteering in a local soup kitchen or simply just helping a neighbor, my loving viewer, with their groceries. You know, the more that we help others, my loving viewers, the more that God will always find a way and make a way for us to bless others, my loving viewers. As it says in Philippians 2 verses 3 and 4, it says, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves. We have to value others above ourselves, my loving viewer. Look, and not looking to your own interest, but each of you to the interest of others, my loving viewers. That's what we really absolutely need to do. Because it's really a blessing to be able to make everybody happy, you know? And I want to make you happy tonight. And I really want to extend my prayers to you for each and every one of you. And I pray and hope that you be absolutely richly blessed and that God's love will fill your heart abundantly, my loving viewers. You know? And if you are enjoying this video right now, my loving viewers, and if you're a first time viewer watching this video, my loving viewers, and want to be encouraged each and every day of your life, just press that like button, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, and press all, so that you'll be able to receive all my amazing, awesome, uplifting videos as soon as I post them. I do post frequently, my loving viewers, from Sunday to Friday at 6 p.m. with a bonus video, you guys. In that bonus video, we'll put a smile on your face as well. Like I said, I can't wait to do this video tonight, my loving viewer, and I really hope that you enjoy it for real. And let's embark on a journey of love and positivity and also personal growth, my loving viewers. And I am fully committed to you, my loving viewers, to upload new videos throughout the week, ensuring a regular dose of motivation and encouragement each and every day of your life. You know, I believe that everybody needs to be encouraged. And I know that there is somebody that needs to be encouraged this afternoon. You know, I know that we go through a lot of stuff in our lives. And we have to encourage each other each and every day. And I believe by focusing on the positive, my loving viewer, we can transform our lives and transform the lives of others around us every single day, my loving viewers. Because I believe, my loving viewers, that that we can change our focus each and every day. You know, we can do so many things, my loving viewers, and together we can create a ripple of effect of kindness, gratitude, and love that spreads really far and wide. I'm for real. I'm really for real about this. And I am looking forward to seeing you tonight. You know, because you guys are a blessing and you guys are amazing. I want you to know that right now. And, my loving viewer, I want you to know that God really absolutely loves you. And He really absolutely wants you to know that you have been equipped. See, my loving viewers, God never ever gives up on you. You know, He is a God of love. He is a God of understanding, and He understands what you are going through at this hour and at this moment in your life. He really does. And when we practice this each and every day to serve others, my loving viewers, it will change our lives completely. When we help others, my loving viewers, we can always transform their lives as well as your life is being transformed right now. Ooh, glory to God. So, if there are any new viewers that haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to this channel and want to be a part of this wonderful, amazing, awesome community, my loving viewers, and you are tired of feeling down and discouraged in your life, just press that like button, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, and press all so that you'll be able to receive all of my videos as soon as I post them. I do post frequently from Sunday to Friday at 6 p.m. with a bonus video, you guys. In that bonus video, we'll put a smile on your face as well. Yeah, my loving viewers. So I am looking forward to seeing you guys at 6 p.m. and you are going to be absolutely blessed. I'm for real. No matter what. Because we all deserve, my loving viewer, to focus each and every day on the positive things in our lives. You know? For real. I'm so for real about this, my loving viewers, and I really, really, absolutely thank you guys for watching all my videos. You know? I really do. You know, because I want to put a smile on your face each and every day. You know, and my goal is to keep you uplifted and always positive in your life. And I want to give a huge shout out to all my wonderful subscribers worldwide and the US for subscribing to my awesome, amazing, uplifting channel. And if there are any new viewers that haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to this channel and want to be a part of this wonderful, awesome community, just press that like button, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, and press all so that you'll be able to receive all my videos as soon as I post them. And I do post frequently from Sunday to Friday at 6 p.m. with a bonus video, you guys. In that bonus video you are watching right now, my loving viewers. So I am looking forward to seeing you guys tonight. So press that like button, press that subscribe button, press that notification bell, and press all. And make sure that you share this video with everyone that you know to spread the message of hope and positivity. Because everybody, my loving viewer, needs hope and positivity nowadays in their lives. You know, it's such a blessing to be able to bring so much love and so much gladness to every single person. And I'm so glad, my loving viewers, to be able to come to your homes and just commune with you and be as happy as I can be each and every day. And I really love y'all, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's change the world for the better with our love and with the positivity that we have. We always have to be positive each and every day. And remember to leave your thoughts and comments in that comment section below, my loving viewers. And always remember, no matter what you are going through, I want you to always focus on the positive. Because there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. And thank you, all of you, for watching this video worldwide in the US. And remember to like and share and subscribe for more uplifting, amazing content every single day of your life. And let God's glory shine through you, my loving viewers. Always, always, my loving viewers, because there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. Each and every day of your life. And that's why I want you to be encouraged today. Well, That's a wrap on this video today, my loving viewers. I hope it brought you encouragement and inspiration. Stay tuned for more empowering content coming your way right here, my loving viewers. Stay tuned and enjoy. And do not forget to focus on a positive, because there is always a light in the end of the tunnel. Peace. See you at 6 p.m. I love you guys. Peace. Bye-bye now. Peace.